Hello friends! Today we'll learn about what soda does to your body. It all started in 1767 when a European man named Joseph Priestley figured out how to infuse water with carbon dioxide, creating the first carbonated beverage. Back then, people believed carbonated water cured illnesses, so soda was sold in pharmacies. And it even reached a point where some people felt addicted to it. Oh, you have stomach pain? Last night you and your friend had too much soda and other slurry drinks, along with junk food. Drinking soda and other fizzy soft drinks can have various adverse impacts on your health. It's good for you that you did not drink the cola again. 20 minutes after you drink a can of soda, you experience an insulin spike. The liver then turns the high amounts of sugar into fat. The result is oil overproduction, which clogs your pores and leads to inflammation. Not only does your complexion suffer in terms of pimples, but you're also more likely to get wrinkles prematurely. Generally, the sugar in soda makes your skin look saggy, dull, and lose luster. After 40 minutes, you get a caffeine kick. Your pupils begin to dilate, and your blood pressure starts to rise. It dehydrates you, which could cause constipation and can directly result in skin flares and breakouts. At 45 minutes, your brain releases dopamine, which is the happy chemical that makes you feel good. You crave that feeling and become addicted to these drinks. Smile, please. Regularly drinking sodas can have ill effects on your smile. The sugars in the soda mix with bacteria in your mouth to form acid. This acid attacks your teeth and can wear down the tooth enamel and cause tooth decay. Not only this, acidity dries out your mouth, allowing bacteria and food to linger, ultimately causing halitosis or bad breath, which can be embarrassing. Drinking soda and carbonated beverages significantly lowers bone density, which can cause osteoporosis to develop over time. It causes the bone to weaken and become brittle, so brittle that any stress or a fall can cause a fracture. If you drink too much soda, you will feel the need to pee a lot more, which will start washing nutrients and vitamins out of your body, leading to a high level of vitamin deficiency. The other significant effect is obesity. Excess amounts of these drinks release a hormone called ghrelin, which increases your appetite and encourages you to eat a lot. And you start putting on weight, which can lead to many other diseases, such as heart attack, kidney failure, and severe health problems. Is one soda a day too much? Even at that amount, even if it's a diet soda, it can hurt your health. Stopping the soda habit is a good way to stay healthy. Now, you know a lot about the topic. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye.